Okay, bonjour tout le monde. This video is just going to be a quick lesson on the passé composé. So in addition to what we did last week, we're just going to continue it with this week. A lot of you have requested an instructions video, so here it is. So last week we started le passé composé, and we use the passé composé when we want to talk about a situation that happened in the past. So anything that you want to say that happened in the past, so not now, not in the future, you would use the passé composé. Okay? Last week we talked about the formation of the passé composé, and that looked like this. Okay? This is attached on your Google Classroom under last week's notes. So we know that to create a sentence in the passé composé, you first need your sujet, which is your nouns and your pronouns. You then need your first verb. Your first verb is going to be avoir, conjugated in the present tense. Okay, so your sujet is first, and then you need the verb avoir conjugated in the present tense, and these in red is the verb avoir conjugated in the present tense. Okay, next you're going to have your second verb, so verbe de. For all your regular verbs, for verbe de, if it's an ER verb, you're going to drop the ER and you add an E avec accent aigu. If it's an IR verb, you drop the IR, you add an E, which is the letter I in French. If it's an RE verb, you drop the RE and you add the letter U, which is the letter U in French. Okay, and then you have the rest of your sentence, which could be composed of a bunch of different things. So for this week, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to page number 3, because your task for this week was page number 3 and page number 4. So you're going to scroll down to page number 3 and I'm going to go over it with you. Okay? So the title is Passé composé avec les verbes in ER, IR, RE. Number 1, you're going to complete the following charts below by conjugating the regular verbs into the past tense using our regular sujets. Our regular sujets are our regular subjects, so it's je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle, pluriel. Okay? So you're basically just going to copy this example and you're going to do it with the verb manger, and then you're going to do it with the verb regarder. Okay? So we'll do an example together. So how would I say, so manger is to eat. I don't want to say to eat, I want to say I have eaten. Okay, we know that I is je. We know our next step, so we have our sujet, which is je. Our next step is going to be the verb avoir conjugated au présent. So that's going to be manger. Okay, so sujet, verb 1, which is avoir in the present tense, and then manger, which is to eat, conjugated in the present tense. You're going to do the same thing for tu as manger, elle a manger, so on and so forth. You're going to do the same thing for regarder. Okay? Down here, you're literally going to do the same thing. So you have the verb choisir and finir. Okay? Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle, pluriel. And then you would conjugate what would I have chosen sound like. Okay? Then you're going to do the same thing down here as well. It's pretty simple. Right? And then down here for number 2, when done the chart above, you're going to translate the following passé composé sentences into French. Okay? So you're going to translate this sentence, I have gone down the stairs. Okay? We know that I is je. We know that have is a, and then to go down the stairs, we're going to scroll back up. We're going to take a look at our irregular verb. We're going to find to go down. Where's to go down? Oh, okay, so it's not an irregular verb, but it's a regular verb. Okay, you can go on to word reference and search it up, but it is descendre. It's an RE verb. You're going to get rid of the RE and you replace it with a U. So once you've searched up what stairs is in French, we know it's les escaliers. So your sentence ends up being j'ai descendu les escaliers. I have gone down the stairs. You have your sujet, which is je. You have your verbe un, which is avoir, conjugated in the present tense. Descendu, which is your second verb, verbe de. It's conjugated in the passé composé. And then you have your objet, which is the rest of your sentence, and it's les escaliers. So you want to do the same thing for B, you're going to do the same thing for C. And then for number 3, you're going to look at page 2 of this document, which is the page with all the irregular verbs, and you're going to try creating one sentence in the past tense with an irregular verb. And you're going to follow the exact format that we just did up here. So sujet, avoir, verbe de, and then your objet. And that's all.